Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 17, Example 10. In this example, we want to solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 9 equals 0 by using the quadratic formula. In step 1, we want to simplify each side if needed. This equation is already simplified. In step 2, we want to write the quadratic equation in standard form if needed. Standard form for a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This equation is already in standard form. In step 3, we want to identify a, b, and c. In standard form, a is the number in front of x squared, b is the number in front of x, and c is the constant. We want to make sure that we keep the sign that is in front of each of those numbers. For our problem, that means a equals 1, and since the x term is missing, this means b equals 0, and c equals 9. In step 4, we want to plug in the values found in step 3 into the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equals a negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Plugging in our values into this formula, we will get x equals a negative and b is 0 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so we'll have 0 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 9, all over 2 times a, which is 1. In step 5, we want to simplify if possible. This will give us x equals 0 plus or minus the square root of 0 squared, which is 0, minus 4 times 1 times 9, which is 36, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. Taking the 0 minus 36 under the square root, we're going to get plus or minus the square root of a negative 36 all over 2. Since the square root of a negative 36 is 6i, we will get x equals plus or minus 6i over 2, which will simplify to be x equals plus or minus 3i. There is no simplifying that we can do from here, so our final answer is x equals 3i or x equals a negative 3i.